my personal opinion about PixelU on the market is that PixelU is one of the easiest and fastest to learn and get up and running on. If you're an experienced operator and any other screw switcher out there on the market right now, PixelU is definitely easy to pick up on, easy to use, and it does everything you need on that job site. I'm a big fan of PixelU because of that, because when I'm on job site, my biggest concern is how quickly can I get set up and programmed and operate my systems. And PixelU delivers that tenfold over and over again, and the system's only going to get better and better as we go forward into 2026 and beyond. In the events today in LDI, what I was most surprised about is some of the updates that are coming out for the 1.8 that's coming out. And in our industry, every second counts. And when we're doing live events or corporate events, all those little details about the ability to just do an edit on the fly very, very quickly, and that ability, like the wizardry of it, to help me set up get programming is so powerful for me as an operator. To go from device to screens to programming to my multi-viewer and to my docking side now, all the updates that are coming out of the market right now, what they're doing and everything that they're improving on is, and the speed that they're improving on it, right? It's just so amazing for what we can do for the product. From what it was from a year ago to now to going forward, it's just gonna keep getting better, like I keep saying, and I love the product for that. Would you recommend PixelU to other operators? And the answer is 100% yes. I would recommend it to any operator in the market because of what it can do, right? This thing does everything you need to do on a job site and then more. And what I mean by that is the way to learn it is quick and easy, right? You could watch a video on YouTube, you watch the video that we've created on YouTube, you can go sit down in this box for an hour, you can run the simulator, every possibility you need to do pre-pro, on-site, and afterwards, this box is ready and prepped for that. So if you're new to the industry and you want to learn something, you want to get your feet wet, this is the greatest box to go to. It'll get you through everything you need to get through, and there's tons of information online right now that's growing every other day. There's tons of operators online, and if you have experience, the way this is laid out, the usability of it that is laid out is also make it comfortable for you guys who are also experienced to just jump over to the product. It is such an easy product to use. It's available, it's here, it's now, and it does what you need to do for every show you're on. If you're looking to get into something and you want that, like, again, easy path where you don't have to be the master engineer right off the bat, there are so many features built in to help you get to that point where you can learn very, very easily. And there's so many helpful features, which are the Luma key, the Chroma key, and the smart functions, right? Those are built-in features to help you do the job quickly and easily without having to know all the back-end stuff. You don't know how to do edit yet? Don't worry, we have a magic function for you. I call it magic, but there's a function in there for you to make it very easy to get in there, right? And then you can learn from there and expand from there. Versus the other way that you used to have is where you have to know everything first to then operate the tool. This is the other way around. The tool's there to help you out and make you the best operator possible on show for your clients in and out of the room, and it's growing, right? Video switch is coming out, media shows coming out. It's only going to keep going better. It's only going to keep growing, and that ecosystem is going to keep getting better and better as the years go on. So I'm a big fan, I'm a big proponent of it, and I just think everything they're doing, they're getting the feedback from you guys in the industry. If you want to be part of this, follow us on social media. Give your comments. They'll take those. They'll give you feedback. We'll run on those things, and they'll come out. I promise you, this product is only getting better. It's not going anywhere.